It's raining out there. You know I gotta get that rain. There it is. Woo. There it is. Man, it's raining, boy. Stand in the rain, look in the rain. God. Phone's getting wet. Right. That's it. Got no light in or nothing over there. Oh, I did trim that up a little bit over there. Let me see if we can show you. In the rain. Trimmed it up. Okay. Trimmed it up out here. A little bit. Compared to the grass that was right there. If you can see, you can print it out right. Alright, man. That's it. Get back in. I think I got a little bit of wet. We got a little bit of the rain. Yeah, I like to film the rain. Huh? She knows I like to film the rain. For sure.
Hey, Daddy.
Ooh. Yeah, I'm drenched. Phone's still working though. Whew. Oh, these fans got to come off for a minute. So I can dry it off. That's kind of cool. All right, maybe I'll wipe these down here real quick. Let's see something here. Wipe this down. I guess it's still rolling, isn't it? Still rolling. Yes, it is. Here, he might go off. I think he just did. Did you just go off? No. But you're gonna be